of gases. It is the second chapter of human physiology. In this one, in annual exam, definitely 7 marks questions will come. 7 marks questions. In CT exam, 2 to 3 questions. In a NEET exam, definitely 2 questions. 2 for the 8 marks. That is the weightage of breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. So in this one, the process of, first of all, let us see breathing. Breathing is nothing but respiration. Exchange of gases, mainly oxygen and carbon dioxide. That is, okay. So first of all, breathing and exchange of gases. In this one, as the process of exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs from environment to the cells is called breathing. That is, as the process of exchange of as the process of exchange as the process of exchange of oxygen from medium means air or water. Air or water. The process of exchange of oxygen from the medium, that is air or water, with carbon dioxide by the cells at the same time is called breathing. The breathing is commonly called respiration. Breathing commonly called respiration. That is breathing or respiration definition. Once again, as the process of exchange of oxygen from the medium means either air or water. Some animals are present in atmosphere, some are present in aquatic habitats. Exchange of oxygen from the medium with the carbon dioxide. Oxygen takes inside, carbon dioxide is eliminated by cells. At the same time, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occur by the cells at the same time. This is called breathing. It is commonly called respiration. That is the definition of respiration. One mark definition. One mark question in annual pre-board exam. Define respiration. You should not write exchange of gases is called respiration. Clearly you have to write. As the process of exchange of oxygen from the medium, air or water, with carbon dioxide by the cells at the same time is called respiration. It is commonly called breathing. Respiration. It is commonly called breathing. Okay? Okay. Next one is chemical breakdown of the nutrients as the chemical breakdown of nutrients. Chemical breakdown of nutrients occurs in the living organism or occurs in the every living organisms by the cells. It is called internal respiration. Internal respiration is also called cellular respiration as the chemical breakdown of nutrients. That is glucose, fructose, lactose, galactose, maltose, sucrose, as the chemical breakdown of nutrients that is occurs inside of every living organism by the cells. This is called internal respiration, commonly called cellular respiration. Internal respiration, commonly called cellular respiration. So, the cellular respiration. Generally, respiration is of two types. Respiration is of two types. One is anaerobic respiration. Another one is aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, another one is aerobic respiration. First of all, let us see anaerobic respiration. As it occurs in absence of oxygen, as it occurs in the absence of oxygen by incomplete breakdown of organic molecules, incomplete breakdown of organic molecules by yielding less amount of energy, by less amount of energy, by less amount of energy. This is called anaerobic respiration. It is commonly occurs in bacteria and muscles of living organisms, muscles of human beings under certain conditions, When we are doing vigorous exercise, we are doing running, vigorously when we are running, at that time, our body muscles will respire more and more. Our body muscles will ask more and more oxygen, more and more. At that time, our body muscles are unable to provide more oxygen to sufficient amount of oxygen in our body. When we are doing vigorous exercise, running vigorously, when we are doing exercise, at that time, our body muscles will take more and more oxygen. At that moment, our body does not supply more and more oxygen. In that conditions, our body muscles will respire temporarily in absence of oxygen. At that moment in our body, kind of alcohol, ethanol is released. So that ethanol is released in our body muscles temporarily. Ethanol or lactic acid is released in our body temporarily. Due to that only, after a vigorous exercise, we will get tired and sleepy due to the ethanol or lactic acid. See, come to the point here. So, C6H12O6 gives rise to CO2 plus 2C2H5OH plus ATP molecules. Network problem for me not there, ma. See, for me network is sufficient network. Okay, nearly 300 kbps fast coming. Today for me network problem is not there. For teaching, for Zoom app, for me network problem is not there. Okay, for uploading videos, so I am facing. In our surroundings, if network problem not there means we cannot do. Okay, so don't worry, listen, and again I will upload recorded videos. You listen them. Even if you are unable to listen them, don't worry. Again, these are all the topics. When classes come and says, we will teach. Online classes is just an option. It's not a final. Listen carefully, everybody. It's not a final. It is an option. Okay, so come to the point again. Anaerobic respiration. So actually, biology class is very lively close. If all the students are there, means you will enjoy biology classes a lot. A lot. You will enjoy like anything. It is just like entertainment channel. One side subjective will learn, one side entertainment also will be there. In such a enjoy, you will design the classes. But it is unavoidable situation. Online classes situation is like that. So we are teaching. So if network not available means we cannot do anything. For me, network is efficient. In your surroundings, network if not there means it is your problem. Okay, so no problem. I will teach again when classes commences. At that time, we will repeat all this again. Don't worry. Come to the point. Anaerobic respiration. So in this one, incomplete breakdown of organic molecules. Incomplete breakdown of organic molecules and gives less amount of energy. Generally, aerobic respiration occurs in yeast, bacteria, and certain conditions in human beings' muscles. When we are in vigorous exercise, and our body, all the cells, millions of cells, asks oxygen, 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 oxygen. At that time, our body does not supply that huge oxygen. In such conditions, in our body, some muscles will respire without oxygen temporarily. At that moment, without oxygen, when muscles shows respiration, at that time, alcohol or ethanol is released. So C6H12O6 in absence of oxygen is released. Absence of oxygen breakdown, incompletely breakdown in the absence of oxygen and releases carbon dioxide and alcohol with less amount of energy. Just 2 ATP molecules are released. That's why due to this alcohol, after when we are doing a vigorous exercise on that day, we will feel sleepy quickly. Because the ethyl alcohol is present in our body, it induces our body to get a sleep. Okay, ma? That's next. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. It occurs in presence of oxygen. Okay, aerobic respiration. It occurs in presence of oxygen. Okay, that's all. Next, it yields large amount of energy due to complete breakdown of organic molecules. It gives excess energy due to complete breakdown of organic molecules. Okay, that is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O gives rise 6CO2 plus 12 H2O plus 36 ATP. In our body, it happens. We eat food, that is complete breakdown of organic molecules in presence of oxygen and water. And it releases carbon dioxide, water, and excess amount of energy. It is called aerobic respiration. Now we are doing aerobic respiration. During respiration, the complete breakdown of food materials takes place and releases excess amount of energy. Releases excess amount of energy. That is 36 ATP molecules are produced. Okay, during respiration, some nutrients are break down and releases energy. That energy is adenosine triphosphate in the form of ATP. That ATP is stored in our various body parts and we will get energy to do various kinds of activities in our day-to-day life. Okay, so it occurs in yeast, bacteria and muscles. It occurs in almost all the organisms. Okay, so this is the introductory part. In this, some introductory part is not there in textbook, but it is new part. When the respiration topic comes, this is I should give explanation. So without this explanation, so this topic is not there. But in textbook they will not give. Don't worry, already I said that. Whenever any topic is comes related to that, a complete detailed information I will give. If I wanted to know anything, I will learn. If I wanted to learn anything, I will learn from root to top. If I will give explanation to anybody, same way I will teach. Okay? So it is necessary information for you more regarding respiration. Okay, that's all. Mechanism of breathing of mechanism of breathing vary among different groups depending upon their living habitats and levels of organization. See, mechanism of breathing, mechanism of breathing vary, different, vary among different groups of organisms depending on levels levels of organization levels of organization levels of organization and living habitat levels of organization. Similarly, three different levels of organization are there. Cellular level of organization, porifera, phylum, porifera, survives. The total body depends upon cellular. Some of the organisms tissue level. Some of the organisms organ level. Okay, so depends upon cellular level of organization, one type of respiration, tissue level, one type of organ level, one type. Not only the mechanism of breathing vary among different groups of organisms depending upon living habitats. Living habitats means some are lives on environment, some are on terrestrial, some are aquatic, some are in marine. So depending upon living places, they will show one kind of respiration, different kinds of respiration. For example, the animals which are living on terrestrial habitats, they will show different types of respiratory organs. In aquatic habitats, they will show different kinds of respiratory organs. In marine habitats, water is different. There, estuaries, one kind of environment. Estuaries, where the river water and the ocean water is joined with each other. There, one kind of habitat. So according to their living habitat, they will show different kinds of respiratory organs. According to living habitats and levels of organization, they will show different kinds of respiratory organs. For example, here we will see what we can see here: protozoans, like amoeba, euglena, paramecium, such type of invertebrate protozoans and invertebrates, invertebrates such as sponges, Nidarians, and platforms. Nidarians and platforms exchange gases with simple diffusion. Simple diffusion through their body surface. their body surface. See, protozoans invertebrates such as sponges, cnidarians and flatworms. Flatworms, yesterday said that flatworms means Pinia, Sodium, Pinia, Sargenata, Ascaris, lumbricoids, etc. Such kind of things. Pinia, Sodium, Pinia, Sargenata, those are flatworms. They will respire by simple diffusion throughout their body surface. Throughout their body surface, they will absorb oxygen and eliminate carbon dioxide by simple diffusion. Diffusion process means what? From higher concentration to lower concentration. In an environment, higher concentration. In their body, lower concentration. Then from higher concentration to lower concentration, gases are exchanged. Okay, so protozoans. Protozoans means amoeba, euglena, paramecium, such kind of organisms. Invertebrates means already on the board, it was there. Next. Atoms respire through their moist body or moist skin. Moist body or moist skin. In such a way, they will respire. Moist skin or moist body. In such a way, they will show respiration. They will show respiration. Earthworms. So, about earthworm complete history, we will see in future. Our topic is not about earthworm. Topic is about breathing and exchange of gases. So, earthworm respire through moist body wall or moist skin. Whereas insects respire through network of tubules. Network of tubules called tracheal respiration. Tracheal respiration. Tracheal. So the respiration which occurs through network of tubules. That kind of respiration is called tracheal respiration. Which occurs within the body wall, within the body surface. From environment, oxygen enters into the insect's body. From the insect's body, carbon dioxide immediately expelled out. That is called tracheal respiration. Network of tubules. That kind of respiration is called tracheal respiration that occurs in insects. Insects belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda features we discuss in future. Next, scorpion. Scorpion and spiders. Scorpion and spiders respire through book lungs. Book lungs. Their lungs are looks like a book shape. Therefore, these are called book lungs. Book lungs. Through book lungs, they can perform respiration. Yes. Aquatic. Aquatic arthropods. Aquatic arthropods and molluscs. Molluscs respire through vascular bag-like structures called gills. Vascular bag-like structures called gills. Next. Terrestrial organisms. Terrestrial organisms. They can respire through vascular bag-like structures called lungs. The respiration which occurs through lungs is called pulmonary respiration, as you know already. Terrestrial organisms. Next, invertebrates. These are invertebrates. Next, vertebrates such as fishes, larvae of amphibians. Respire through gills. The respiration which occurs through gills, it is also called bronchial respiration. It is also called bronchial respiration. Next, fishes, larvae, amphibians. Next, reptiles. Reptiles. Reptiles, birds, and mammals. Mammals respire through lungs. Okay, so like this way, different organisms use different kinds of respiratory organs for exchange of gases. Among these, reptiles, birds, and mammals respire through lungs. Here, amphibians, larvae of amphibians, adult amphibians, adult amphibians such as frog, and salamander respire moist body or moist skin. Okay, amphibians which can survive in both the places, in water or land. They can respire according to the situation, according to the conditions. If water is available through moist body surface, they can respire. If water is not available, then they can show respiration through lungs. Okay, when their body getting dry, immediately they jump into the water to get their body is moist. In such a way, different kinds of, starting we said that breathing, the mechanism of breathing vary among different groups of organisms depending upon living habitats and levels of organization. Levels of organization is depending upon their body arrangements. Among these all organisms, mammals have well-developed respiratory system. Among those many of mammals, we will see well-developed human respiratory system. Now we will keep discussion about the human respiratory system. Okay, for today, enough introductory part. Tomorrow we will see human respiratory system. So actually breathing and exchange of gases in this topic, this much introductory part is there. From this introductory part, objective its chances to come. So that I have said that much extensively. Some students sent doubts, who will clarify those doubts. Repeat, sir. Network problem. Okay, that repetition finish. Sir, not clear board. Okay. Sir, it's not clear. Sir, even. Okay, ma. So for today,